So the reason why you are not gaining results from your ads is the way that you are setting up your ads. Target audience, text and ad format is the most important thing that you need to make sure you look for when setting an ad. Creating or doing all these things perfectly helps you gain the results that you're looking for when you are creating an ad. That's why this video I'm going to show you a step by step on how you can create a Facebook ad from start to finish. So make sure you watch everything step by step, because I will be walking you through how you can set up an ads account, add your payment method, choose a perfect objective for your ads. Through that, I will show you how and set up the right target audience that will look for the product that you are selling online. For example, so let's say I'm selling this laptop, looking for people who are ready and looking for a gaming laptop or a laptop to edit their product and stuff, or students who are looking for laptops for their school activity and stuff. And I'm promoting this to people who are looking to buy clothing and stuff. They will not buy this product because that's not what they are searching for. The right way to target the right audience for your ad is the most important thing that will help you gain what you are looking for. So make sure you watch this video to the end to get every step by step tutorial that I'm going to walk you. And this is the first day that you are seeing my video on the internet. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, put it in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Let's get started. Best way to start creating your ads is Ads Manager. So open your browser and type in ads.facebook.com or adsmanager.facebook.com. You will see this screen here, and to be able to access this platform, you need to make sure you use your Facebook criteria to be able to get access to this platform. After that, you need a Facebook page that will help you to be able to run ads on Ads Manager. If you don't have the page on Facebook, it's just a simple way for you to create one. Just go to your profile account, hit on create page and create one for yourself. So to do that, I'll just come to my profile account on Facebook here. Come to your profile account on Facebook here and come to this side. Scroll down here. You will see pages here. Hit on pages. You see create new ad. Hit on that one and create unique ad. Type your name, the category of your ads, set up a small bio of your page. Once you're done with this thing, then the next thing is start posting content on your page. Posting content on your page called warming up the page. If you create a page and you have not posted nothing on the page and you start creating ads on the page, Facebook will not recognize your page and will not show your ads to people. It doesn't matter whether you use your right or target the right audience. Use the best keywords in your ads, you will not get results that you are looking for in your ad. So the first thing is start posting 2-3 times on your platform and for Facebook to start recognizing your page. After that, then you'll be able to set up the ad that will get click on your ad. If you come to Ads Manager, you will see this dashboard here. If it is your first time, you will not see this one. So this is not my first time, that's why I'm seeing this one. And if you look at this side, if you have created an ad on your platform, you will see this one here, and it will tell you everything about your ad, how your ad is running, how people are clicking on your ad, number of people who are seeing your ad, the number of people who are clicking on your ad. So you see all these things displayed here. If you not see this one here, that means your ads, you have not created the ad. And if the first time, you will not see this one here. To be able to set up an ad, you need to make sure you include a payment method and create an ads account. First thing is you create an ads account. Create an ads account. Head on to this side, come to the start option here, head on to this side, it's called start. Look at here, we have ads account. Click on the ads account, and this side you're going to create an ads account. To create that one, you see at this side, these are the ads account that I'm using. The user that I'm using, I can disable this one. We have pages here. Pages, you add the pages that you want to use to create an ad. To do that one, you can do it on the Meta Business side. I have a video, full video on Meta Business side that you can check it in the description section. To add payment method, just come to the payment and setting. Take out to this side here. This is the payment method that I'm using at this point here. And for me to add a payment method, this is my payment method that I use. To add a payment method, if you haven't added any payment method as account, you will not see this one. I've added a payment method, that's what I've been seeing this one. To do that, come to add payment method here. You will see a scroll down menu. Then you come to this side, you choose any payment method that you want to use. Here we have debit credit card, and here we have PayPal. This is my second time, or I've been using this for a while. That's why it's just shown on this one. At some point you see add credit, so you can add that one. To do that, I'll choose a credit card, then I hit on this one. If you want the best credit card that you can use to create an Facebook, I have a video on how you can set up dollar payment card that can be used to get virtual card that you can use to link to your Facebook and run ads. And this card is being accepted on any other online platform, Amazon, YouTube, all the platform that can be used, so you can set up that one. To do that, at the first one here, type in the card name, the name that you have on your card. Come to this side, you enter the card number, you set up your expiring date, then the security code of your ad, then you hit on save. After you have done, then you can now start creating your ad. But the first thing is you need to make sure you set up ads account. So if you want to add pages and start to this one, if you look at this as your first time, you see how we have account overview, we have campaign that you have created on your ads. You could see this one here. We have audience, billing and payment. You add your payment method, advertising settings, you hit on that one, then you set up your advertising settings here. That's why you create your ads account. If you want any editing, you can do it. So to add account, to create an ad account, you come to here, then you set up your ads account. You can disable this one, you can open and set up that one, or you can hit on add and add a new ad account that will be using to create an ad. So if I run ads for companies and you want to differentiate this account, you can come to this one, then you hit on add, then you add those account to this platform so that you can be able to run ads for them. So you have done, and then you come to this one, we have the all tools here. If you hit on that one, you have a bunch of stars that you can look it out. If you look at this side, to create an ad, we have 3 steps that you need to pass through, or 3 other that you need to make sure you climb before your ads will be on live. The first one is the campaign section, the second one is the asset, the last one is the ads. Where the magic starts is this side. That's what the asset. Here you'll be including your payment method and other stuff, your location and stuff. So we go into that one step by step. So if we're done with that one, then our ads will be online. Create an ad. Come to this side, we have create ads here. You hit on that one. If you that is your first time, you will see that one here, then you hit on that one and start creating your ad. To do that, I'll come to the create. First screen that you see, we have what objectives. Objectives talks about your motive for creating the ad, your results that you want from ad, reason for creating an ad. Before you create an ad, you need to make sure you have an objective, you have your reason for creating an ad. If you don't have all these things and you start creating an ad, you will just waste your money because you don't know your reason for doing that. I will be explaining everything for you to understand everything. Choose the right that suit for you. We have awareness. Awareness means you have any product company that you want people to see your company aware and know that you have opened a company like this, located here. That's a website, have a page and stuff. Then you choose the awareness to promote your product to the larger audience for people to see it. And we have traffic, having traffic, sending people to your pages, sending people to your website and stuff. So that's what the traffic section. Engagement, mostly content creators use this to get subscribers, to get likes, followers, comments and stars on their video, get video views and stars on their video. So if you're a content creator or if you're someone who wants views and stars, can choose this one here. And we have the lead generation. Mostly advertisers always use this to get people content, their email address, their names and other stuff, to reach them one by one, to run ads for them, or to create a box image messages sent to them. We have ads promotion. If you have created an app and you want to sell your app online, you can choose that one there. Then we have the sales section. The sales, you want people to buy your product, then you use the sales section for you to get what you want. So if you have a website, you have product on that website, you want people to just click in and buy it, just choose the sales section. For the sake of this video, I'm going to use lead generation. For the lead generation, mostly the one that businesses and other stars use is what the lead generation and the sales, because you want to get something from what you are been spending on, or the amount of money that you're using. So you use the leads and you get people to your website, to your landing page and stuff, and for them to see what you are selling then, so that they can buy it and stuff. So the leads is not mostly for you to get people content or contact and stuff. Sometimes you have a website, you have a product that you want to people to come to that one and see it, or you are running course that you want people to come in and buy the course. You have ebooks that you want people to buy and stuff. You can use the leads generation. You can track these people from Facebook into your website pages or your website group, your website channel, for them to come in, follow you, and then you talk together, talk about your business and stuff. You can use the leads generation. So I'll use the lead generation. Come to this side, then you click on continue. So come to this side, we have the first one, recommended section, and we have the manual section. This side is Facebook is telling you that they have recommended something, that they know that some settings are there that can help you, that they are choosing it for you. But for you to be able to get full control of your ads, you need to make sure you come to this side and choose the manual section and hit on continue. Then it will take you to this side. So when I was starting, I talked to you about the 3 ladder that we need to climb before we get to the final option. So the first ladder here is the campaign section. We have the asset and we have the ad. So we have started creating our ads. So this one we can name our ads for us to differentiate the ads that we are creating. A laptop, so I'm selling my laptop, right? Then I'll choose the list, the laptops. I will name this as, come to this one, the category. I can leave that one here. You can set up your category and that's that, and it has nothing to do. So let's say I choose a category. I'll just choose this one, and employment. Come to this side, we have the buying type. Okay, so on the objectives section we saw that one here. Then we have the option here, the reason or objectives. We have the list here. Come to show more. Then nothing here is very important here. Okay, and then we have the advantage plus budget. That one, if you're a beginner, you don't need to set that one, just leave it there. And scroll down to this side, we have the campaign bidding. Just choose the high volume so that Facebook will move your ads to the right audience in the high volume for you to be able to get what you are looking for. And we have this one, and we have the ads schedule. That one you can choose it if you want, if not just leave it. We have the A and B testing. So for the A and B testing, let's say I'm creating an ad and I want to test for a different keywords and a different images to see the one which is what running best for me. So when I choose the A and B testing, I'm going to set up one as account, and that one I will use a different image. I can use I can set that one as an image. I can set that one as a video. Then I will look at how these two will be, what the results that these two will bring to me. So when I see that the one which is what giving me a good result, then you push more money onto that one, then you set that one for you to be able to get what you want. So that's what the A and B testing. After you've done with all these stuff here, then you hit what next. So this one we can still name our ads as what, laptop ads. That's the name of it. We have the convention type. So where do you want them, when you click on your ads, where do you want them to go? Okay, if you want them to fill the form, it has already automatically choose the form section for you. Let's say you have a form, a Google form or any other form that you want to fill, you want them to fill it, you can choose that one. If you want a website landing page that you want to send them to that landing page, you have a carousel on your Facebook WhatsApp business that you want to show as your product to them, you can choose the website and send them straight to. Then you scroll down to this side, you have all the performance goals here. You can choose the maximum number of convention. Then you set up puzzles for people who are running a Shopify stores and stuff, so they can set up that one. You hit on see more and see other stores here, right? Then you come to the demographic creative, you can choose that one and set up that one, but we are not going to do anything here. You scroll down here, we have the budget schedule. For the budget, the amount of money that we are going to spend on our ads. The first one, the date that you want your ad to start running, right? So let's say I don't want my ads to run today, I want it to start on tomorrow. I'll choose tomorrow date. Come to this one, the time that you want your ad to start running, choose the time. we have the set date, the date that you want to add to end. You choose that one, but I will not do anything here. This ads will not be live, just showing you how you can set up an ad. And we have the audience. Audience is very important here, right? So the audience is your target audience, the kind of people that you want to send your ads to. So that's why I made this example. Let's say I'm selling a laptop and I didn't choose the right audience, people who are looking for the laptops to buy, but I choose for people or my taste and stuff, going for people who are looking to buy clothing and stuff. Those people, yeah, that's not their interest, so they will not click on it, they will not do nothing for you. I'll just waste my money, run and the ads will not gain nothing for them. But this one here, the audience and the others, so it is telling us, do we need a new audience to our ads? And we have what? Save audience. Let's say you have already run an ads and you have the audience that saw the ads and you want to reach back to those people, you can choose the save audience. I will create a video on that one. If you want that video, let me see in the comment section. It is a full video tutorial. I will set it out so that you understand that one too, how you can set up that one, post it here and get back to those audience. If you come to this side, you set up the ad at the location. So my location is Ghana. I just leave that one, or I can set up and change the location from Ghana to where I want this ad to be shown again. So let's say I choose Nigeria, then you can exclude other countries from this side. Okay, so add exclusion, meaning you don't want your ads to run on those countries. If you want your ads to, you want to include these countries here, you can search on these countries, then you choose the location here. We have some locations, then you can choose that one there. So my country, I will choose Ghana here. Then I'll set the whole of Ghana, so I'll choose Ghana, and I will want the whole of Ghana to see my ads. I'll just choose Ghana. And inclusion, I want to ask another different country, I can choose that country. Any other country that I want to use, I can add those countries. If I want Ghana, I'll just take off Ghana and choose other. That's what the location option. Okay, the location option. So you can set up that one, and setting that one helps you reach your right audience, right? So this is the total number of people or the kind of location that will see my ads. Okay, so you see this circle here, it shows us in Ghana the only people who will see my ads will live across this town. Okay, this area, they will see my ads. Without those people, my ads will not show to any other people apart from those people in this one. You can create a new list for it. Okay, so if I create a new list, I can set up my own new list. Okay, so I come to this side, then I choose countries, then I search for any country that I want to use. Let's say I want to use United States. I can start in creating United, or I choose USA, then you hit comma, UK, comma. So all the countries that you want to use, you can name them here. Okay, that you want to use, and you can name one there. After then you hit on matching, then it will select those countries for you. Okay, so it has selected those countries for me. Then you can hit on add the countries. Okay, then it will be added. Then you can set up a name for this list. Okay, a name for this list. Then you just include those names here. Okay, so these are the countries that my ads will be showing to them. Okay, you see USA, other stars here. So these are people that my ads will be showing to them. Also, you've been choosing it, you see the audience definition here. So it is what it is broad. So this is the estimated audience that will be on seeing my ads. Okay, 151 million people that will be on seeing my ads, billion people that will be seeing my ads. So meaning my ads will show to a broader people. Okay, and we have the age here. Age, you choose the number of age. So also, let's say I want my ads to be shown to people from 20 years and above, so I can choose 20. So how you are setting it, you see your estimated audience or changing here to show to people who are up to 55 years. All right, up to 55 years. And we have the male and female. You can choose if you want both, you choose all. If you want only male, you choose male. So let me choose male and see our estimated audience. You see here now it has been increased to decrease, choose all, because I want my ads to show to a broader people so that they cannot click on. And you come to this side, we have the placement option. The placement is, it has set that one for us, but we want to change it. Okay, so we choose the manual one for this one. Then we come down to this one. Here, where do you want your ads to show? Instagram and Facebook and Messenger and our audience network. So which one do you want your ads to show? I don't want my ads to show on Instagram. I'll just take off Instagram, take off Messenger, and take off audience network. That means my ads will show on only Facebook. If you want it to show on Facebook and Instagram, just add Instagram. If you want Messenger, just add Messenger too. Then your ads will show. So, but with this one, I want to show my ads on only Facebook. So I'll choose Facebook. And if you scroll down here, it is placing where your ads will be shown. So this one too, if you don't want it, you can take it for okay. This one is a profile feed, and we have Facebook feed profile, a Facebook profile feed. I want my ads to show to them because yeah, so it will show to those people. You can choose that one. Then the Facebook marketplace, Facebook video views and stuff. So where this is where my ads will be. If I don't want it, I will just exclude it or take it off. And we have the story too. I don't want ads to be showing in the story. You can take it off. If you want it to show on story, you can add it on reels and stuff. So where do you want your ads to show? If the place that you don't want your ads to show, you just take that one off. Then we click on more to see more options here. Here is the devices that you want them to see your ads. Let's say I want my ads to show to people who are using mobile phone. I'll just use Android user or both Android and iOS users. Now there has been a lot of changes on the Facebook. At first it's only mobile phone and desktop. Now they have changed it. Okay, so you can choose either iOS or either Android, right? So that's why always things are changing and people are keeping showing the old video to us. That's why this video is very important for you. So once you are done this one too, you can change it or you can do other stuff here, but I don't want to do anything here. Okay, I'll just go in and hit on next. So when you click on next, it will take you to the last few. This is where the magic need to take place. Edit the name of your ads, and we have here, we have partner ads. If you have someone creating ads for brands and stuff, you can add them. So when you hit on this one, you just add the brand ad code, okay, and then all they post their infos and stuff, okay. Then you come to this side here, you are going to choose the page that you want to use to run the ad. I have a lot of pages here. I have 2 pages here, so I can choose any of this page that I want to use it to run the ads. Let's say you are running ads for your client and the person wants you to use his own website. You can choose this one and use his own website, or you can add a website Instagram account. If you include Instagram or you want your ads to run on Instagram, you can use the Instagram, or you can use the person Instagram account that there and create ads here. You can check out that one. This one we are creating a new ad, so we choose the new ads, and we have existing ads that we have created and want to use the same format that we use on that one. We can choose the existing one, just create a new one here. Then we scroll down to the side and it says creative source. We will set it manually, okay. And here is the ad format where the magic is, and people always get confused here. Running ads on Facebook, there are 2 methods or 2 things that we need to always understand. We have the video section and we have single video image, or the videos, single video and single image. We have carousels and we have collection. You can use any of this one, but mostly video ads that explain something small about. So if you want to use video, use a video that will talk about the machines or the kind of product that you are selling. Explain something about the product so that when someone is buying it, you know something small, you know the benefit that he or she will get from it, so that they will click on your ads. So the app just pop up and the video will just showing up, or you can use just one single image for it. Or here you can use image and video. The carousels, you use image and video and it will be scrolling for them to see it. So let's say this one I want to use the carousels, okay, because I want to include more image on my video, on my ads. And we have the multiple ads section, and you scroll down and you come to this side, okay, carousels, cars and stars. So here we are going to we have the carousels ads. So are we going to use the image or are we going to use a video? So here, or we are going to use a video, an image, or a previous video. So I'll choose the image section and I'm going to include the image that I want to use. Here we can upload a new image or just use any video that we have here or any image that we have here. But I'm going to upload a new video image that I'm on my PC, okay. So I hit on that one, then I'll choose any video that I want to use here. So I want to use these images. Okay, so these images is what I want to use. Then I'll hit on open. So these videos are going to show here. Then I'll choose the one that I want to use for this as right. Choosing the right image also is very important. Okay, so let's say I want to use any of this image. I'll just hit on it and add up to 10. Then I hit on continue. If I have a flyer, you can use that flyer. So if you look at here, it will preview it for me. So you see what is showing here. This tells about what my images will be shown here. Okay, so this one it will show like this. And if you scroll down here, I'm going to include my text on it. Okay, what I want to use to describe my ads. Okay, text that when someone search on it, my ads will just pop up and show for it. So let's say I will just add this one. When you see me here, get the best gaming laptop, then I'm going to include some description on it. I made a description that is here. I want to copy it and post it here. So I'll copy this, come to this side, then go to this side, then I paste it here. Okay, so when I paste it, you will see that it says don't miss out our special discount. Okay, and if you look at here or you scroll down, you will see it here. Okay, so this is shows how my ads will be on the showing. And we have this one here. That's what any website that you want them to click on. Okay, so there is it. I can include it, I can edit it, I can do a lot of stuff. I can add more cards to it. And if you scroll down, it's an automatic scale, so it will automatically show up. And we have what test, primary test. Okay, so tell people what your ads is all about. Okay, so I can go in and copy on this, then paste it here. Then it will preview for people to see how. So they discover top quality. Okay, so you cannot read that one because they are small. Okay, so discover top quality laptop designed for performance and portable and other stuff. Okay, so this is what people will see under my ads. Okay, so this is very important that you need to make sure you include a convincing text that would convince people to click on your ad, or you can let AI generate for you. Okay, so this AI has generated a lot of things. Looking for laptop that boosts perform, powerful and portable, upgrade your tech games with our latest model. Okay, so you can choose this one. You can choose any of these AI tests. Okay, so I can choose about, I can add them. Okay, so after you've done, then you can check up and see the review of everything here. Then you scroll down to this side, then you have here call to action. What do you want them to see? So the call to action, you see this, I say learn more. So this one I want them to what? Shop now. We have shop now. Because I'm selling it, I can hit on shop now for them to what? Buy it. Okay, and here we have the destination. Where do you want them to come in? Okay, then we have the website here. So I can preview this URL, or you can include either your landing page or any other website that you have. You can include it here, or you have any affiliate marketing platform and you have your unique link that you can include that unique link here. When you click it, it will take them straight to either Amazon that you are using. It will take them to Amazon platform so that they can buy the product there. And you can include other display link that you want to show and other stuff. So here I don't want to do anything here. And you can also use a website button that will show your website URL, or instant form that they can just fill that form and other stuff. So after you've done, then you scroll down and we have this one here. Okay, it has nothing to do with our ads here. That's the offline event. After you've done with all these things, then you come to this side, then you hit on publish. So when you hit on publish, Facebook is going to take up to 24 hours to review your ads and see everything on your ads. Know what your ads is all about. Know that your ads is not going against their policies and stuff. When they find out that everything is cool, then they will show your ads or post your ads online. Then you start seeing your ads online. After you see your ads online, then you come to this side to see your ads will be shown here. Then you see everything that talks about your ads here. So after this side, you see the bidding, the amount of people who have clicked on your ads, the amount of money, significant editing, attribution results, the number of people where your ads has reached to, the impression people have clicked on your ads, the cost that the ads has generated, and we have the quality ranks, the engagement ranks, conversion rate, amount of money that you spend on this ads. You will see everything here. Then you'll be able to know your next focus. So if you want more of this, and let me see you in our next video. Our next video, we're going to talk about much more about Instagram ads. Let me see you in that video.